Hello everyone. In this session, we have to learn how to solve crypt arithmetic problem. Before starting the session, I tell you friends, if you are not watching my last session on crypt arithmetic problem, so first you can watch that session. In last session, we have solved sand plus more is equal to money, crypt arithmetic problem. In this lecture, we have solved again crypt arithmetic problem. So, in this problem, we have two texts like text 1 is base, B-A-S-E, and text 2 is ball, B-A-L-L. With the help of addition, we have generated crypt arithmetic text games GAMES. Before starting the lecture, I have introduced some basic rules for crypt arithmetic problem. Rule 1. Say we have to select digit in between 0 to 9 range. Means we have to predict digit range from 0 to 9. Rule 2 say we have apply unique and distinct value to every alphabets means we have select alphabets m value is 7. So we have not select 7 to any other alphabets. Rule 3 say throughout the problem each alphabets represent only one unique digit. That I already explained in rule 2. Rule 4 say compulsory to find alphabet's value in this problem means we cannot apply direct any value to alphabets. Rule 5 say answer should not start with 0 means it start with 1, 2 or 3 or any value between 1 to 9. Rule 6 say after assigning the value to alphabet it follow the basic arithmetic operation means addition is perfect. So here you can see friends our crypt arithmetic problem. I divide this problem into 5 columns. Column 1 say E plus L is equal to S. Column 2 say S plus L is equal to E. Column 3 say A plus A is equal to N. Column 4 say B plus B is equal to A. And column 5 has only one value G. Now we can see the carry. If addition of this individual column is greater than or equal to 10, so it generates carry to next column. So here we can see how to predict carry in this problem. First we have considered our first column. So it can write like E plus L is equal to S means it not generate carry to column 2. But if we can write like E plus L is equal to 10 plus S means it generates the carry on column 2. Now we start the problem. Can we assign or predict our column 5 which represents G value? We can see here we have 4 alphabets for text 1 and 4 alphabets for text 2 and it generates 5 alphabets with the help of addition. So we can predict these 4 alphabets can be 999 and addition of this number is less than 20,000. So we can easily predict or consider G is equal to 1 because it generates carry 1. So this way we can find our first alphabet's value Z is equal to 1 and put that value in problem. So it looks like this. Now we can see or predict our first column 1. Here addition of this column 1 can have two possibility if there is no carry on column 1. So E plus L is equal to S and we can consider this our first equation. Now second possibility is if there is carry on column 2. So E plus L is equal to s plus 10. Consider it is our second equation. With the help of this equation, we can find the value of E. So it can write like E is equal to S minus L plus 10. Now we have to predict our second column too. So here, same possibility for carry. First, if there is no carry on column 2, so S plus L is equal to E. Consider it our third equation. Second, if there is carry on column 3, so S plus L is equal to E plus 10. Consider this equation 4. Now, we have put the value of E, which we have find with the help of equation 2. So, S plus L is equal to S minus L plus 10. So, it can write like 12 is equal to 10. So, we can find the value of L is equal to 5 and put on the problem. Here, we have put C is equal to 1 and L is equal to 5 in this our problem. Now we can see our first equation like E plus L is equal to S. So this equation can write like S minus E is equal to L. Now put the value of L. So S minus E is equal to 5. So now we have predict S is greater than 5 because if E is greater than S, then our equation can wrong and it is not possible. So S is greater than 5. Now we have generated the combination of S and E value with the help of equation S minus E is equal to 5. Now we have predict S and E value is 5, 0. It is not possible because L is equal to 5. Now we can predict next value for S and E is 6, 1. It is not possible because G is equal to 1. So we can predict the value of S and E like 7, 2 or 8, 3 or 9, 4. So finally, we have select the value of S and E is 7, 2 or 8, 3 or 9, 4. Now, we have to predict B value is greater than or equal to 5 because B plus B is equal to A plus 10. See column 4 means it generates carry on column 5. But B is equal to 5 is not possible because L is equal to 5. So B value can be 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now we have predict the value of S, E and B. First we have select S is equal to 7, E is equal to 2 and B is equal to 6. So there is two possibility like carry and no carry. We can start with column 4. If there is no carry on column 4, so C3 plus B is equal to 10 plus A, no carry. So 0 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 2 here. We have put B is equal to 6. So A is equal to 2 is not possible because E is equal to 2. So now we can predict carry on column 4. So C3 plus B is equal to 10 plus A means 1 plus 6 plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 3. So A is equal to 3. Now we have put the value of A in column 3. So it can like C2 plus A is equal to M. Here we have considered carry. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 7. So M is equal to 7. and it is not possible because s is equal to 7. So our prediction of s is equal to 7, e is equal to 2, and b is equal to 6 is failed. So we can predict another value for s, e, and b. Now we have predict s is equal to 8, e is equal to 3, and b is equal to 7, and apply to column 4. So again, two possibility for column 4 if we consider no carry on column 4. So C3 plus B is equal to 10 plus A is right like 0 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 4. Here we can take B is equal to 7. So A is equal to 4. We have find. If we have select our next possibility, if there is carry on column 4. So C3 plus B is equal to 10 plus A. Can write like 1 plus 7 plus 7 is equal to 10 plus 5. So A is equal to 5. We have to find. So here we have to find A is equal to 4 and A is equal to 5. So we can consider A is equal to 4 and put that value in column 3. So it can be C2 plus A is equal to N. Now we have put the value of A is equal to 4 in this equation and carry is 1. So 1 plus 4 is equal to 9. So M is equal to 9 and it is not conflict to any other value. So this way we have to find every alphabet's value. Okay. And we have put in this equation or our crypt arithmetic problem. So finally, we have find value of every alphabets. The value like Z is equal to 1, B is equal to 7, A is equal to 4, M is equal to 9, S is equal to 8, L is equal to 5, E is equal to 3. And we can put in our crypt arithmetic problem, and the value of each alphabet is unique. So thank you friends watching this video. In our next video, we have to solve another problem of crypt arithmetic. So thank you once again for watching this video.